Okay, we've adjusted the dowel here. We've moved it back from where it was at. So we got a little bit more of an angle. That will give us a little bit more of a working on the mouth. So now we're going to just glue this in. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it.
Drivers by name, all of our employees by name. In our history, we've never had a layoff of drivers. The wages and benefits for these positions are all above local market rates. Our company operates...
We'll set that aside, let it dry, and then we'll be able to move on to the next step. So we got the mouth hooked up. Mouth's going to work okay. So we're going to let this set up, and then we'll be in good shape. Thanks for watching.